Hi guys, today I'm going to demonstrate you to replace the battery on key fob. It's for Audi and it's a very common remote on Audi different models. It has 3 buttons, and this remote came with different models of A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, Q5, Q7, and it is really easy to replace the battery on it. And the other thing we need a battery. It's a coin battery we need. It's its number is CR2032 3-volt battery. And in this remote we don't need a screwdriver. We're gonna leave it on the side. First we're gonna take the key out from the fob. We need to press this button, and we're gonna press it and pull it out. The key gonna come out, and we're gonna place it here. And when you're gonna turn the key fob where the 3 buttons are, you're gonna see that's his place where we're gonna press it down. You can see I can press it down with my nail, and as soon we're gonna press it down and pull it out, and that's the battery came out from the fob. And just we need to hold this battery from here, and it's gonna come out, and it is C2032 3-volt. It's a similar battery. And what we have to do, we can see here there's a plus sign is a down side and the minus is a top side. What we're gonna do, that's a plus sign, and it's a positive side we have to place, and this way the positive side should be the facing downward. Now we're gonna insert this battery back into the fob, and thus here we're gonna just hold it like this and press it inside. The clicking noise came, that means it's placed inside properly. Now you're gonna place the key here like this, and here start working. That's a good thing on it, and that's fine. Thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel, share it, like it, and thanks for watching again. Goodbye.